Bam, 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 bam. Amber alert. I repeat, Amber alert. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Parish County Sheriff's Office. Just a few moments ago, a child abduction had taken place in rural Parish County. The child is said to be a female named Mary Jane. She is a small Hispanic 4-year-old child who went missing from her home in Parish County. She is said to be anywhere between 4 to 9 years old. She was last seen wearing shorts, wearing pink shorts, a yellow shirt, blue overalls, and red Crocs. She has red hair, long red hair, and she was last seen in Parish County. If you see this child, do not approach her. Please pick up your phone. Please keep an eye on her. Pick up the phone and call the Parish County Sheriff's Office and alert them of your location. The emergency alert system has been activated. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Child abduction warning. I repeat, child abduction warning. Recently, in the Parish County area, a small child went missing. It is assumed that she is in grave danger. The name, Mary Jane. She was recently found dead on Boulevard Boulevard. She had multiple stab wounds in her spleen, her uterus, and her neck. She was recently found dead, and when the police found her, they determined that she had already been dead for the past 3 to 4 hours. This is a warning. The killer has not yet been found. Please keep all children inside and out of school until the suspect is located and taken into custody. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you see anything suspicious, please call the Parish County Sheriff's Office. The emergency alert system has been activated. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Parish County Sheriff's Office. Just a few moments ago, the child abductor was caught and taken into custody. Since the danger has passed, it is now safe for children to go to school again. Thank you for your cooperation. Normal programming will begin after the tone. Bam, bam, bam.